lucky in my hand. This is for good reason, because this is a really quick video. As you'll know, because I put the video up a while ago, we got a Olympus OM10 film SLR camera donated to us. It's a camera that dates from 1979. I did say 83 in the video, but I was incorrect. It's 1979. Now, many of you asked if it would be possible for the to see the camera working. Well, see some pictures taken with the camera. And we've actually managed to restore the camera, get it some batteries, get it some film. We got the film from Poundland of all places, cheap as you can get. But we thought we'd get cheap film to test it. And yes, the prints have come back. We had them done on a CD as well. And if you want to see my bit of nature photography that I did to test it, there is a link to my newly created Flickr account where I will be putting more pictures from this camera as they appear, because the camera shots came out a lot better than I expected. So we've now got some proper black and white film for it, and we'll be doing some landscape photography. So check it out if you wish. Thank you.